Hello everyone. Now we will be doing direct and indirect speech. So direct speech is basically when I say a sentence, she said I teach English. Then we put I teach English in double quotation marks and that becomes direct speech. We simply state a fact. But when we say that, the indirect speech is basically reported speech. When we are reporting an action that has already been done in the past. So when you answer the question, what did he say? Right? Then you use indirect or the reported speech. So let us first look at a few examples tense wise. So a sentence in simple present tense, she said it's cold. So this is direct speech. You see in direct speech we have used double quotation marks, and simple present becomes simple past, as we have already noticed that we are reporting an action, right, that has already taken place. So the present action which is there in the direct speech becomes an action of the past in the reported speech. So the sentence becomes she said it was cold. So she said it's cold, she said remains as it is, and it is cold becomes it was. Is becomes was, the past participle of the verb. Next we have present continuous. She said double quotation marks I am teaching English online. So this is direct speech in present continuous. The indirect speech would become in past continuous. She said she was teaching English online. Again I am becomes she was. Here you would see that since we are reporting an action done by somebody, I becomes she and the verb takes the past participle. Next in simple past, she said I taught online yesterday. So simple past becomes past perfect. So this becomes she said she had taught online yesterday. Again she said remains as it is, I becomes she, and I taught online becomes she had taught. So simple past becomes past perfect. Next is past continuous. She said I was teaching earlier. So this is a sentence that is already in the past. So to report it, we would replace I with she and was teaching with she had been teaching. So this becomes past perfect continuous. So she said she had been teaching earlier. Next, present perfect tense. She said I have been on the web since 1999. So this is present perfect, right? So this becomes past perfect as the action that is being reported has already been done. So this becomes she said she had been on the web since 1999. Next, present perfect continuous. She said I have been teaching English for 7 years. Again this is the action in present and perfect continuous is the tense. So here however the tense won't change, but the present action becomes the past action in reported speech. So she said she, I has again been replaced with she, had been teaching English for 7 years. So this is the sentence for present perfect continuous. Next is past perfect. She said the lesson had already started when he arrived. So in this sentence there would be no change and it would be directly reported as she said the lesson had already been started when he arrived. So see, an action that is already in past perfect cannot be put to a more past form of it, right? So here the reported speech has no change in it. And similarly in past perfect continuous, let's read the sentence. She said I had already been teaching for 5 minutes. So again no change. Next, let us try to understand what are reporting verbs. So as you have already seen that in the previous sentences we have used the word said a lot. She said that, right? So here if she might have been telling a fact, we would have used told instead of said, right? So she told Agrim that so this and this thing happened, so and so came to visit her or whatever. And if it would have been a question, then it would have been asked, right? Again let us understand when that and if are used in the sentences. Firstly, if you are just speaking a normal sentence and it is not a question, it is just a simple phrase where you are using said or told, then you use that. She told that or she said that, right? And when you're asking a question, then you use asked with if, right? So she asked if she could go to the market. So asked goes with if in a question sentence. Next, now see, some action might have taken place right now, but when you're reporting it later, you would have to tell them some time frame, right? So this is how we report different time frames. So this becomes that, today becomes yesterday, these becomes those, now becomes then, a week ago becomes a week before, last weekend becomes the previous weekend or the weekend before last. Here becomes there, next becomes the following, tomorrow becomes the following or the next day, right? So you would say, suppose in direct speech you are saying that she said, here is the remote. So in indirect speech it would become that she said that there was the remote, right? So this was the reported speech. Next, some more changes. These are words that we generally use in sentences. So will becomes would, can becomes could, must becomes had to, shall becomes should, may becomes might, and should, could, might, ought to have no change in the reported sentence. Okay, again one more thing, till now we have studied sentences in which we have put the reported speech into the past form, right? But there are some sentences in which you can report in the present tense as well. Now let us look at these sentences. So firstly, these can be sentences which have some fact, which are always true, right? The sun rises in the east, the sun rises in the east. My name is Nikita, my name is Nikita. So these are general facts, they will always remain true, right? Nothing can change them and they won't become a past. And again, future events, things that have not happened but might happen someday. So even these cannot actually have a past, neither have they already happened and neither are they happening right now, they will happen somewhere in the future time frame. So let us take an example. My name is Lynn, she said. She said her name is Lynn. So here we have used the present tense instead of past tense for reporting a direct speech into indirect speech. So now you have an idea about reported speech and I hope you can solve the questions.